Do you think you know a lot about nature? Let's find out together. What is the largest ocean on Earth? Answer C. Pacific. What is the tallest type of grass in the world? Answer B. Bamboo. What is the main source of energy for life on Earth? Answer B. The sun. Which type of tree produces acorns? Answer A. Oak. What is the process called by which plants make their food? Answer B. Photosynthesis. What is the tallest mountain in the world? Answer A. Everest. Which gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere? Answer C. Carbon dioxide. Which layer of the Earth's atmosphere contains the ozone layer? Answer B. Stratosphere. What is the smallest country in the world that is home to a rainforest? Answer A. Suriname. What is the name of the phenomenon where the northern lights occur? Answer A. Aurora borealis. How many did you get right? Share your score in the comments.